What a week I'm having. Ooh. No, we better lay a finger on my butterfinger. You're delicious. Oh boy, that was good. Oh, such is the life of me. Good old Honest John, once the biggest drug kingpin in all of Western Canada, now living on the streets. These aren't even my clothes, I took them off a snowman. But at least it got me and my buddies. Hello, Peter Pinecone, what do you think about me? I think you're pretty cool, Honest John. Well, thank you, Peter Pinecone. What do you think about me, Ricky the Can?
I think you're a big fat piece of crap.
Did you hear that? He called me a name. Naughty, naughty Ricky. Good riddance. We only need each other. Ugh. Ooh! Mentos.
Hey! Hey! What are you doing?
I don't hurt anybody. I'm just a poor, lonely candy dealer.
I don't care. You can't be coming in my store and stealing, okay? You're getting out of here. I'm taking that back, too.
Hey!
That shopkeeper, what a bitch!